Salam Sejahtera and hi everyone. My name is Tiew Xin Yee and my metric number is 194901. Today I'm going to present about belt conveyor system which involve internal pressurization process for the mini project EPF 4806 and EPF 4807. To get started, I'm going to explain what is conveyor system. A conveyor system is a common mechanical handling equipment that moves materials from one location to another. They can be installed almost anywhere to move loads of all shapes, size, and weights. Conveyor system is important as it allows quick and efficient transport. In pressurization process, products can be pressurized in a continuous flow and directed to packaging process with least manpower required. So from here, we can see how the belt conveyor system looks like and how the overload of the tunnel pressurizer. The tunnel pressurizer consists of a heating chamber and the belt conveyor system. For the working principle of belt conveyor system, the sprockets are clamped on the shaft. So during the operation, power generated by the motor causing the shaft and sprockets to rotate. The belt is then driven by the two sprockets which engage to the belt mesh. Now I'm going to explain the machine elements found in the conveyor belt system. The first element is conveyor belt. The belt that used is wire mesh eye-link belt which combine a flat stable surface with the dimensional stability and robustness of metal. They are well suited to heavy loads and unstable or fragile products that requiring good support. Hence, it is perfect for the pressurizer. Moreover, this kind of belt is easy to install and clean. So from the picture that shows in the slide, we can see how the wire mesh eye-link belt looks like. And normally for the size of it, the pitch will be ranged within 15.9 to 76.2 millimeter, and the wire diameter is ranged within 1.6 to 3.2 millimeter. Cross pitch is measured center to center of eye links. The second element is sprockets. Since the belt depends on the right driving and turning wheels to operate well without interruptions, hence, sprockets are the good choice for the drive system. Sprocket is a simple mechanical wheel with teeth or small notches, which are designed to rotate and engage with the links of a chain or belt mesh. A perfectly straight run is assured by the drive with sprockets as the teeth are configured for the belt structure. Generally, the sprockets are placed at both sides of conveyor. The third machine element is bearing. So the bearings, they are mounted on the ends of the conveyors to minimize the friction between shaft and stationary machine members. The bearings that is used is deep groove ball bearings because these kind of bearings, they can reduce torque, accommodate radial and axial loads in both directions. They are easy to mount and they require less maintenance than other bearing types. And the next machine element is shaft. So shaft is a rotating machine element, usually circular in cross section, which is used to transmit power. Either roller can be found at the middle section of the conveyor system. So either rollers aid in the supporting of weight and impact of the materials being transported along the belt and also assist in the smooth, continuous movement of the material. And the last machine component is the fastener. So fastener will be used to join the mounted bearing and the conveyor to fix the location of the bearing and shaft. Bolts and nuts are used as replacement of bearing may be needed during the maintenance activity. Since the working environment is always in high temperature and high moisture content, thus all the machine elements will be constructed by using stainless steel 304 because this kind of material is inert, corrosion and rust resistance, high strength and durability, and high temperature resistance. So now we are going to watch the assembly process of the prototypes. So these are the machine's elements that we're going to build up the belt conveyor system. So we'll start with assemble the idle roller at the middle sections of the belt conveyor system. And this sprocket and shaft will be assembled at the ends of the conveyor system, both ends. So now I'm going to measure to estimate the length of the belt that required for the conveyor system. After estimating, the extra length will be cut off and the belt will be stick together. Here is assemble the mounted bearing to fix the location of a shaft with fastener. Now here is assemble the leg support of the conveyor system. So for this conveyor system, the inspirations I get from online data that I search for the belt conveyor system that have a high temperature resistance. And here is making the handle for it in order to show the operations of the conveyor system. Since the tunnel pasteurizer, they have a heating chamber. So this roof is actually represent the heating chamber. And this shows how the conveyor system is work. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this presentation video.